So this is kind of easy, guys, replacing the flex for the home button. So this is how simple it is. Esto es bien fácil. Ya lo había explicado en uno de mis videos anteriormente. Y lo único que vamos a hacer es hacer esto. And then we continue right here. Luego continuamos acá. Who knows what the real problem is with this? But for me, the flex seems good. But I will replace it. So remember, it wasn't responding. So aunque se vea bueno, lo vamos a reemplazar porque no está respondiendo para nada. So and we'll get the new one. Here's the new one. And we'll take this out. This is so easy. Like I said before, the only problem is just taking the screen digitizer, LCD screen digitizer out from here, and then everything is easy. Okay. Let's make sure everything is aligned with with those two little holes right here, and then we put a little pressure. Asegurémonos de que estén bien alineados ahí. Alright, we got it right here, so hopefully it will work. Esperemos que trabaje. Okay, so let's put this back. Alright, got everything set up right here. So what I will do is clean the whole around. I'll put another 3M that way, because this one doesn't look beat up already. So vamos a poner un nuevo 3M alrededor para pegarlo todo y vamos a ver si funciona. Alright, everybody, I have placed the 3M on it already, and if you see right here, I've created a little space, and the four corners. That way, I can put a little glue right in the corners to secure pretty much the LCD. The screen digitizer. You see how I'm gonna do it. So I'll remove the paper on top. Como ustedes pudieron ver, pude colocar el 3M alrededor, y además pude crear unos espacios aquí. No es de crear, sino hacer unos espacios acá para poder echar un poquito o agregar un poquito de glue en las cuatro esquinas. Yo les voy a mostrar cómo. If you guys see right now on my videos, the quality of the videos looks a little bit better now, like back in the days. Reason why it's back in the days I was using my front camera from my iPhone 4. That was a while, maybe a year ago. Then I have to create something to use the back camera from my iPhone 4S, and now I have an iPhone 5, so I'm using my back camera too. So little by little, the quality of my videos, they're I think a little bit better, so you can tell. Como ustedes pueden ver, la calidad de mis videos son un poquito mejor como los solía hacer antes, pues antes utilizaba la cámara de enfrente de mi iPhone 4, luego pasé al 4S y tuve que crear este tipo de flex aquí donde tengo mi iPhone 5 para que pueda, ahora utilizo mi iPhone 5 para poder utilizar la cámara de atrás. Alright, so everything is there now. So now the only thing that we have to do is put glue, like I told you. So yeah, we'll put glue, and don't be surprised at the kind of glue that I use. People ask me sometimes what kind of glue do I use, and fortunately I'm using a good glue, but unfortunately I've been contacting this company, and they haven't responded to me because pretty much I'm like kind of like a promoting their product, but it's time for me now to take advantage of my work and get at least something from this company, but they haven't replied to my emails that I've been sending. So si alguno me pregunta qué clase de glue yo utilizo, es uno bueno, pero desafortunadamente no puedo mostrar el nombre ya por el momento, pues la compañía de este producto no me ha respondido a mis correos para ver si puedo obtener algo de ellos, tan siquiera productos gratis, ya que prácticamente estoy como promocionándoles también su producto. Alright, so let's put just something really light in each corner. Vamos a poner un poquito nomás en las cuatro esquinas. This is, remember, just to secure a little more the the glass or the digitizer, and be careful, don't put too much because you can create a mess right here, then you don't want to go through. Trata la manera de no poner demasiado, trata la manera de hacerlo tal y como yo lo estoy haciendo. Ya lo he hecho anteriormente, so yo sé que es lo que estoy haciendo. So I've been doing this for a little while, so I'm pretty much know what I'm doing. So just try to do what I do, and trust me, everything is gonna be good. And this is the way to put the flex back to the motherboard. That was easy, right? So all right, this is how we do it first, because there's a gap, or actually not a gap. I'll take it back again for you to see it. So there is a bracket right here, so this one goes underneath the bezel or the frame. Aquí hay un bracket que se inserta prácticamente adentro en el aro, so para agarrarlo un poquito más el glass. Hagámoslo otra vez. All right. Let's make sure I connect it. Ah, come on, it's coming up. It's just a little problem sometimes. I will connect it right now. It'll be easy because I don't want this video to take more than the anticipated. So let's try it. Alright, there it is, guys. So now, como ustedes pueden ver, ya está funcionando el botón del power y además el botón de menú. Alright, guys, this is it. Esto así es como se hace. So I hope you guys like this video. So comment on my video on the comment area if you like it or not. So espero les haya gustado. So I'll see you next in my next video. Thanks for watching. Gracias a todos por mirar mis videos y también por sus suscripciones, y esto ha sido todo. Hasta pronto.